In a previous video, we tried out this thing called peanut powder. Basically, it is a peanut powder that you add water to and you instantly have peanut butter. We had 9 flavors. I didn't love them all. NANI? So it got me thinking, what else could I do with this other than just use it as a spread? So today, we are making peanut powder salted caramel crunch banana muffins. Let's get started. This recipe produces 12 small muffins at 188 calories each. And if you're looking at the macros for each one, it's 10 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein, and 20 grams of carbs. First thing you want to do is check and see what your bananas look like. You need 3 of them. You want those really, those hardcore speckled type bananas. If they're not, an easy solution to that is to take your 3 bananas, put them on a little tray, stick them into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. They will be blackened and the sweetness will be incredible. So there's a little hack for you. And assuming you're smart, unlike myself, you will wait until they cool down in order to peel them. Put them in a bowl, mash them up, leave the oven on at 350 degrees because everything else is gonna move quickly after that, and you're gonna pop the muffins in at that temperature. Like I said, I've got all my ingredients already laid out. We're gonna use about half a cup or 58 grams of the peanut powder into the mashed up bananas. You are then going to add in your coconut sugar or date, whatever sweetener you like to use. Add that to your bananas. Next, add in about a teaspoon of your vanilla paste, or you can use extract. I'm going to add in my almond milk. This is at room temperature, doesn't have to be, but you'll find that the coconut oil, which is what we're gonna add in next, won't seize if you're using room temperature almond milk. That took me forever to get that sentence out. Let's quickly mix this up and move on to the dry. In a separate bowl, sift together your flour. I'm using organic, not organic all-purpose flour. And this is the crunch, salted caramel crunch. That's what I'm using, okay? You're gonna sift those in. I just realized the toffee crunch is staying at the top. Why did I sift that? Anyway, whatever. Almond flour. To that, we're gonna add in our salt and cinnamon. And finally, the baking powder. Whisk this up. Take our wet ingredients and add that beautiful slop into the middle. Let's mix. Fully scrape the bottom and make sure there's no flour. So I've moved over to a spatula just to make sure. I don't want to mix too much. So once everything is fully incorporated, we're done. Now, I have got already prepared a 12 muffin tray. So I'm gonna clean up, we'll get to filling these cups. We are done. Like I said, they're gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees. They're gonna go in for about 20 to 25 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on them. I'll be back when these are done.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh, yeah.
My home smells so good right now. Believe me when I say I love these little muffins. They're soft, sweet, and so delicious. Click right here to find the link for all the flavors that we reviewed from Flavored PB Co. And if you click right here, this is a video that YouTube thinks that you will love among the plethora of videos on the channel. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.